beautiful day outside. That means it's time to fire up your barbecue and start cooking some hamburger. Welcome to Let's Cook It, everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite burger so far, and it's a must-try recipe because it's so good. Let me begin with the onion. So fine chop onion, garlic fine chop as well, olive oil, onion, garlic in, and we're going to caramelize the onion and the garlic. Perfect, that's what we're looking for. Caramelized onion. It's ready to go. Turn off the stove. Let's move it to the other side to cool down a little bit. Now for the hamburger meat, I'm using lean ground beef. So let me separate it a little bit. I'm going to put Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper always to your taste, caramelized onion and garlic in, and the best tool to mix this is a clean hand. I'm using a glove today because I have a little cut in my hand and I don't want to take a chance. So mix very well. All the ingredients and the measurement available in the description box down below. Now let's make it into a patties and let it rest for a little bit. So I'm using here parchment paper. I cut them in a big square. And for the hamburger, around 6 ounce burger. So one in the middle, second parchment paper right on top. Any jar lid will do. I'm using here peanut butter jar lid. You put it on top and you press. Make sure you press it down well so the burger will be firm. And look at this beautiful patty. Garlic butter spread on both top and bottom bun. Sweet or yam potatoes, of course peeled and washed, thinly sliced. And of course your burger won't be completed without the perfect burger sauce. So I'm gonna begin with 3/4 cup of mayo, sriracha sauce, horseradish, Dijon mustard, and mix it together very well for everything to combine. So the hamburger meat has the Worcestershire sauce, and adding horseradish is gonna be amazing taste. Now everything's almost ready. It's time to go and start cooking. I'm gonna begin grilling the potatoes. On the other side, I'm going to toast the hamburger bun. And the potato shouldn't take long, between 3 to 4 minutes, both sides, and should be good to go. Now it's a burger time. 2.5 minutes each side. When the burger almost ready, I'm going to add the tomato on top and let it cook for a little bit. And this is the secret for your burger to stay juicy. I'm using here Havarti and yellow cheddar cheese. And for this burger recipe, it takes about 5 to 5.5 minutes to be fully cooked, but depends on the thickness, might take a little longer or a little less. And now let's build our burger. Start with this amazing sauce in the bottom. So make sure sauce bottom on top. I like some sliced pickles, and I'm adding this grilled sweet potatoes. Hamburger on top. Shredded lettuce. And the top. Now let's cut and find out. Yummy. Look at this. Juicy patty, not dry, full of flavor. Now all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.